Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can link Google Authenticator to Bitget. Now unfortunately, due to security reasons, we cannot record our security ID and basically you cannot take screenshots and screen recordings inside the Authenticator application. So we are going to navigate through the official article or instructions in order for us to do this method properly. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your Bitget account. From here, you can then click on the four dots at the top right corner of your screen, or at the top left, click on your wallet ID. And from here, you then want to click on the Google Authenticator. After selecting on Google Authenticator, you will be able to simply get your own security code. You can just copy that security code, and from there we are now ready to head over to the Google Authenticator. Of course, you want to make sure that you already have downloaded the application. So from there, it will then take us to this page right here, which is going to be this one. So all you have to do is to simply click on the plus icon, and from there you will be able to choose between a QR code or a key code. You then want to select the key code right here, and this window will show up where you will be able to name this to anything you want to. If you want to make it a little bit confusing, maybe you want to be more secured, you can name it into something like random wallet or any other name out there. Or if you don't want to be confused, you can just put the code of that specific thing right here, which is going to be the Bitget wallet. So the thing that you need to do is to simply paste the key that you have gotten inside the Bitget account, and from there you want to make sure that it's selected on time base. Click on add and you should be good to go. The reason why we want this to set on time base is that because every 30 seconds the code will change, making it harder for hackers to access our account. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.